best canned tuna.
El mejor atún de lata.
Hi, welcome back. Wait, hold up, redo. Hi, we're back with another cooking episode. Today we're gonna make some tuna, my favorite. Ingredientes para el atún, que me gusta, mi favorito. First, we are gonna start chopping the vegetables. Primero vamos a picar los vegetales. Poquito jalapeño, poquita cebolla. Si no te gustan ninguno de estos ingredientes, tú puedes agregar los vegetales congelados que te gustan o frescos que te gustan. Wow, nicely done. I'm recording you chopping, so... Ahora picamos la cebolla.
I'm not very happy with this chop.
No one cares. Yeah, wow, not... In this moment, we realized, throw the whole onion away.
That is gross. Please don't have that in there.
Nueva cebolla aquí. We got to chop the lime, last but not least.
You can put the other half in there so that these soak in lemon juice.
So annoying. Why are you looking at me like that?
Aren't you forgetting the other frozen vegetables?
No, I'm not. Shut up. Why no te... Agregamos dos de atún que está en agua. We added 2 tunas in water. Obviously drained the tuna. We're gonna add a scoop of vegan mayo.
Turn it the other way.
Oh. Of vegan mayo. Le vamos a agregar... Look, before you judge the mustard, I'm not a big fan of mustard, but it helps it give a little flavor and it doesn't taste like mustard, I promise. Antes que me juzguen, no soy tan fan de la mostaza. Le agregas poquito para que le dé sabor, pero no sabe a mostaza, te lo prometo. Okay.
It's hard to open.
Le agregas poquita mostaza. Okay. Sal de ajo. Sal de ajo a tu sabor. Y chile de árbol que hice yo. En otro video les enseño cómo hacerlo. Si no les gusta picante, no lo agreguen. Le vamos a agregar poquito. Y el limón. Yo los escogí. Vamos a mezclar. Bate, chocolate. We're gonna mix. So our ingredients are vegan mayo, mustard, chile de árbol salsa, garlic salt, and lime.
Wait, stop talking.
ASMR. What?
ASMR, isn't that what it's called? Where you people make noises and you listen to it?
Oh, I don't even know what that is. Okay, here, you can record closer. You ready?
YouTube. Tell Marlyn what that is.
ASMR.
I think that's what that's called. Okay, I don't like the way it sounds.
Okay, now
Okay, go.
we're gonna do a taste test. My fingers are clean. And
You want some?
you want some? I think it needs a little more garlic salt.
More?
Creo que necesita un poco más de sal de ajo y un poquito más de chile. ¿No está picoso? Okay, add at your own taste.
Just add this. Just add whatever's on this. Here you go.
She's scared. Her booty hole's scared. Okay, and there you have it. Un atún. And you can eat this in a lettuce wrap. You can eat it in a sandwich, or you can eat it with crackers. Thanks for watching. It should look like this. Así se verá. Why are you laughing? Don't turn the camera, Mimi. Where are you going?
Bye, bitch.